Because he has so much temper. I mean, it's just 5 minutes in load up, and then in 2 minutes he's down and he doesn't realize what he has said. And then I'm not talking to him, he said, what happened? He doesn't remember.
I don't remember.
His temper.
So like she explained that you are testing me.
I have already, no.
That is your job.
I'm not testing you. I'm very normal. You just
No, because
jump up and down with anger.
she explained me
If
that
he's doing something, you cannot tell him anything else, even though he's
actually
embarrassed. And I'm trying to
anger
tell
may
him,
be one way of
concentrate
saying,
on doing your health
but,
is very important.
no,
to
but-
me, his health is the most important thing, because if he is not healthy, he will not be able to do anything. He's
Right.
And he's very pampered. He needs to take care. I'm also getting old and I have illness. I'm a cancer patient. He should not be depending on me for everything.
Right.
He doesn't do anything. And I have to. So then he should control his habits of overindulging, exercising.
Are
He
you
doesn't
listening, Joe?
He listens all the time, but nothing happens to him unless you tell him.
naughty
Now he
student.
listens to you.
Naughty student.
Naughty student. No, she's right.
Yeah, I know she's right. Now I know she's right.
I've been telling him for all my life. He doesn't listen.
But now I'm beginning to get it because my time is coming closer. So I have to make it work. So 9 years, I don't want any more. I mean,
He's
four and
already
a,
upset about
see?
time.
4.5 was fine, you know.
You're going to now going to working on PhD.
I know. But it's taking too long. But it has to change from internal. You cannot just say I'll do it.
Right.
So it has to feel that way that you can do it.
No, it happens to you when you listen to somebody seriously. Like I noticed that you only listen to her.
I'm listening to her because the person who's coming through her,
Yeah, I mean
It's
whatever reason,
communicating
because you
to me.
really believe that she is telling through somebody.
see,
messages are coming.
if Shiva or his
That's why I like her
disciple,
to be around.
so
But she is the most closest God.
I know.
Right? So
But her role is not God. See, she acts,
I'm a human right now.
she's acting as such a human to change my ego. You were right last time that the ego has to be changed. So she makes me feel opposite to me. So that's how my ego will change, when it won't bother me that she's opposite to me. See, right now it does bother me because I keep saying why she's saying that way. But once I
It's
start,
totally different.
yeah,
personality.
I know. So that she has
They are
taken,
very balanced. He's totally.
no, she has taken the role of the other personality to fix me, which is the reason. But most people who go in spiritual path, they have problem with their spouses. So that's why,
You know what? That's a great thing. I've learned from my experience.
yeah,
It's testing my ability.
yeah.
So should have some, this
Test.
kind of life, because
Test.
you
You need
you
to
never
have a little bit of
know.
friction.
You never
No, but
know
the
how much
people,
you can do.
in India, those sadhus, they run in Himalayas. They don't want to look at women. They don't want to touch them. They don't want to see them.
Right?
And they want to get moksha. So
Yeah.
that's the easier way to do it
But you
because
want your
nobody
cake
to
and
tell
eat
them.
it.
But your practice is this life is not you're on the mountain then
Yeah, if you're
to
running away.
meditating.
Yeah.
No, running away is not the
That's
real
But
word.
even Shiva is married. He has a wife,
All the gods have one.
you know.
Those are all mythical gods.
So, does any god come to you who was female? No, nobody came.
I don't know. There's a bunch of gods, so I don't ask name. Just
Yeah.
play with them.
They play with you.
Yeah.
No, but these are Indian gods you are telling me, but there are other Japanese gods come to you, right?
No, like they're not Indian. I don't
Universal.
know. Universal. They are so fun.
But sometimes scary gods come.
scary one.
Like the voodoos, the Nick had voodoo spirits on him, remember?
If I go to that vibration, then I can see them. But
Yeah.
why should I bring myself to that
No,
level?
but you are the one who told Nick that he had voodoo spirit on him, remember?
Right. That's the earth. Earth. I think that's from the earth. So
They are below the earth, yeah.
we we call them God, but God doesn't know we call them God.
Yeah, right.
Or they know, but that's just
There are energies at different
yeah.
levels.
So just the different dimensions, but the different species. So
Right,
I just play with them. So
right.
So did you go to Japan recently?
I went.
I saw your Facebook, yeah, last summer.
Oh yeah. Last
Yeah, your
Last
baggages were all packed.
couple months ago in
November you went?
November, yes.
November, yeah.
See, people think, oh, God help me, or worshiping God.
Yeah.
Why don't you be, what do you call, play with them, or be a same, what do you call, like, only you can help yourself,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but not the God help you.
No, God will, he had to have a message to change himself, to help himself.
Just play with them like a friend. So.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, that's what the way I felt. Because Krishna is not Krish, the one who came, is Krishna. He is in 5 forms. So you can pick him in any form and worship him. Like he can be a child. So little child. In fact, the one I met was a little child physically. Then he could be a guru, means your teacher. He can be a friend, so you can play as a friend. He could be a lover. You could be a female loving Krishna. In fact, Radha did that. And you can get that feeling, same as a lover's feeling. And then he can be Supreme Lord. So all those forms he exists. And different times, different phases, you see different form of him. And they all have the same pleasure. It's ultimate
Can I
bliss.
take this?
Oh, thank you.
Can I give you another cup of tea now? The other
yeah.
one? Let me throw that. Let me wash it.
Thank you.
So ultimately it is similar, but that is all defined in Indian scriptures, where Buddhism, they didn't believe in God.
Well, no,
Buddha never admitted that God exists.
that's wrong.
He did.
He did.
Can I have
He
one?
admit there is the God, but he sometimes a God ask
One?
him what's the life is, or
One or two?
2 please.
Yeah.
But that's not the point.
Daldi?
Yeah, of course, God's the gods. There's not, yeah, there's out there, but
So there is somebody out there. To say that it's not there, it's all here is not right. Like we will be there somewhere.
Some higher powers.
No, higher she is telling you
energy
in
or
different energies.
higher
different dimensions.
We can't see, but we can feel. Actually, I was talking to Radha on that girl who came when last time you had come. Remember that doctor?
Oh yeah.
She goes, their husband and wife both started going to SRF for meditation. They have a meditation group every Sunday morning.
Oh,
From
okay.
9:30 to 12, I think they go. So she was asking me if you wanted to come for a walk on and Encinitas tomorrow morning at 6:30, and then we'll walk until 9, and then we'll go to the SRF. I said, no, I don't think so. You come here, and Delmar Beach will walk. I want him to go there. in the meditation group because he used to meditate so much before he got sick. Then all the steroids, all the chemotherapy they gave him, that blocked his mind. So he hasn't started doing meditation at all. And
That part, don't worry. Once the soul reaches to the point, once he already
he
reached,
doesn't need it.
he doesn't need to.
But he has to calm his mind. His mind is very restless.
She just mentioned anger and jealousy, 2 things already out of 5. So I have to fix those 2.
You don't have jealousy.
You have no more jealousy.
No, not jealousy, ego.
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 Yes.
Yeah,
Ego.
he has no jealousy.
Ego also I have not that much because it doesn't bother me. Anger is there, yeah. See, because anger is like I'm enjoying so much and all of a sudden Shiv is telling me, oh, you have to follow her. So naturally, I'm having this love, enjoyment and all, and it's kind of being disturbed. So that is a test actually for me. I understand. But it took almost 11 years to figure that out.
Yes.
No, but he had calmed down so much. His anger was gone when before he got sick. He used to be so calm and peaceful.
No, but maybe it
he
was
sick.
it was
When he
buried.
became sick, it went away because he wasn't.
No, because it was buried.
Meditation, spirituality. At that time, he used to 1.5 hour in the morning, 1.5 hour in the evening. He used to meditate.
Right.
Anywhere we went, he will have his bag to sit down and meditate with all the stuff and the beads and all that.
Yeah.
And then when he got sick after that, he has not been able to do it.
No, I used to get lot of bliss and pleasure out of it. And then after I met my guru, then I start feeling, then I got this message that you don't need to go anywhere, he is within you. She also told me this
All
before,
along.
but I didn't pay attention till the message came from Ramakrishna.
Right.
And then once I got the message, then to me it didn't matter whether I go anywhere or not go anywhere.
Right. So you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Like if you try to meditate, even you are talking, still you
Yeah,
can
Yeah.
you can be in
meditate.
meditation.
But
Yeah,
you don't
I know.
need to be the
No,
same-
because for him, somehow needed disciplining because he cannot.
No, I
he
used
said, I'm
to-
sitting on the toilet seat, I'm meditating. He has the telephone, this iPhone in the hand and checking all the email, doing all his thinking in there. That's not meditation. Meditation, you have to get away from the world things. He's into the world with that.
No, actually what happened then was I felt, because I used to love meditating and I used to enjoy that and all that. And then after that, it became like routine. So it felt like I don't exist. So my body exists, but I don't. So once that separation happened, it didn't matter because I let the body do what they want to do. So this anger thing is right. Yeah, that's the thing to be tested. But I don't know how to explain it. But I used to feel urge to do puja and meditation every day, twice a day, and then it disappeared totally. Now she tells me sometimes to do.
See,
And-
if she tests you, you still get pissed or get angry, that means you still have anger.
I know.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
So you should do more.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
he
she
will
does.
leave the house. But
But she does because she has this extra sense, sixth sense,
Right.
and she always does when I'm in the middle of something,
But see,
To test me.
if you already all the anger drained,
Yeah,
even though you're in the middle of something, you
yeah, I
still,
won't. Yeah, so that's the test.
Yes.
So once I understand the test, I don't get upset with her because she's doing her job. She's not. I mean, this is her role she's playing.
And I'm doing it. Whatever I tell him is only for him.
Right.
There's nothing in that
Right.
for me. Like
Right.
people fight because they want something. Like Aarti will fight
right.
with her husband because she wants attention.
Don't bring
I
her
don't
in.
care any attention.
Right.
I just want him to feel better,
Right.
health-wise, mentally, physically, and he doesn't.
See,
do
now
that,
I'm
that he
beginning
can
to
die.
see-
Right.
No, he can
Now I'm
exercise.
beginning to see her godlike value. No.
Hot.
No, really. Because the reason I'm beginning.
Finally, Nina, finally.
No, no.
I love you. You have to come more often. He needs to hear it.
Oh, finally, he admit.
Because
No, no, I
really
do.
feel all
I
the
do.
time, everybody tells me,
No,
why
because-
do you fight with him? Why do you tell him not to eat this, not to? And I'm cooking and doing everything to make him healthier. He goes and
Right.
indulges outside. And
Yeah.
everybody, all my friends tell me, why do you tell him? And I say, I talk to myself, I'm not going to tell him. And then I see him doing things which is not good for him.
Right.
And it just comes out and then he yells at me. Like he'll sleep at 1:30 at night. In the morning he has to go to a cardiac rehab. I say, you are a heart patient, you need to take enough sleep, enough rest. But he just gets